There's my snow angel. 1 o'clock in the morning, snow angel. That just happened to be how I finished off my hashtag freaking heavy snow removal. Oh my gosh. Can you hear the crunch? Completely ice and laden. Very heavy snow. I hate the fact that pictures do not demonstrate just how heavy the snow is. I'm exhausted. And I didn't even do my whole entire driveway, and it took me 2 hours. I had to do like 4 shovels and then rest. Oh my goodness, so heavy. Anyway, it's done to my satisfaction so that I can get in and out. But there's my snow angel. November 15th, 2018. Hello, snow.